Do the bit! Do the bit! Do the bit, good boy! Do the bit!
I find it strange how willing people are to throw money at a charity instead of putting that money towards something that would benefit more people. Charities like the Susan Komen or Jerry's Kids have been collecting millions, if not billions of dollars over the years with little to no public evidence of helping. There has been evidence of at least a few companies taking advantage of the Pink Ribbon campaign as a license to print money because people don't bother to check in to how much their purchase price is actually going towards a cause instead of just buying something pink at a higher price and thinking the money is magically going to go where it's needed and not lining the pockets of some scummy asshole. For what money has been spent on charities, both legit and criminal, we could have easily afforded to fund national health care in the United States. Of course, it isn't as easy as that. Politics always get involved and some people are of the opinion that we shouldn't spoil people with free health care. I've heard the argument, well, I didn't grow up with free health care, neither should anyone else. Which is about the dumbest fucking thing I've ever heard. You didn't grow up with cell phones, smart TVs, or the internet, but you damn sure use all that shit. Who the hell is it hurting to provide free health care? Some poor kid might have a chance to grow up healthy despite the fact mom can't afford health insurance because she works 2 shitty jobs to keep a roof over their heads. Or that poor schmuck who has a heart attack and no insurance might not get stuck with a $500,000 debt. I see it's often these people who worked hard and got good jobs and don't have to worry about health insurance that make this argument. That's not what the majority of the country has available. There are only so many good jobs around and there are more people available than there are jobs to meet the demand. So you end up taking a lower paying job rather than nothing and a shitload of college debt to pay off. So where are regular people supposed to come up with the health care money? It is totally fucking ridiculous that people want to attack the government for being a nanny state if they provide free health care. That is coddling the common person too much instead of making them work for it themselves. How it will drain on the economy with no payback. They talk a lot of shit about how the government shouldn't be handing out free shit until they get in trouble and need a fucking bailout. Then it's all poor us and help us and gimme cause I'm better than everyone else and deserve the help. Funny how these dickheads don't give a flying squirrel fuck for the common man except to pay your taxes and buy their overpriced shit until they get overly greedy and fuck it up for themselves and then want more of our money to save them. Everybody is always so worried about the children. Save the children, feed the children, give them free education, give us tax credits for daycare, give us better schools. Nobody is crying out to think of the children when it comes to their health, aside from taxing the shit out of sugar because it's making kids fat. Why not spend the sugar tax money on healthcare? Where the fuck else is that money going? Sin tax? Isn't that double jeopardy to tax a sin when it being a sin should be bad enough? Usually they sin tax shit that will kill you anyway. Shouldn't that be enough of a penalty? You should be saving your money for your funeral, not paying the government to punish you for living in a free market society. Take all that sin tax money from booze, cigarettes, sugar, and fucking gasoline and put it towards free healthcare instead of pissing it away on every alleged smart businessman who can't run their own goddamn companies without fucking it up.
Nobody makes Sheriff Buford T. Justice look like a possum's pecker.
Except for that...
Your ass.